This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can adjust the Gain and EXPo tuning sensitivity in this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera view of the FIMI Mini app. Now launch settings. Enter the first category, that is drones preferences, and scroll down. Here go into Gain and EXP tuning sensitivity. And, well, on this page you can adjust the ATTI, brake, yaw, and yaw distance and yaw sensitivities by just moving those bars. If you would like to restore default sensitivity settings, just press this little icon at the top right corner and confirm. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.